begin the audio transmission. This house has been chosen to be renovated and put up for sale. Your job as project manager is to investigate and take notes of what you see within the borders of the property. Get to work. End of message. This room appears to be a blend of the fire and the living room. There is a large hole in the ground with fireplace on top. The entrance to my left leads to the kitchen/dining room. The stairs to my right lead to the bathroom as well as the main and spare bedrooms. Entering the kitchen, there are 3 drawers with the one at the end have a sink bowl placed on top, but no sink. There's a door leading to the garden. On the countertop, I see a butcher's knife embedded into the countertop. A booty leg of lamb sits behind it. Both items are covered in blood, most likely from the leg of lamb. Enter the garden. Waist-high fences as well as undergrass. There seems to be a small patch of blood in the corner of the garden. Taking a closer look, it appears to be a fox. Caught in a beer trap. Extreme for a fox. There aren't any large animals around here. Entering the bathroom, there are tiles on the walls, some broken and some missing. There's a mat with a pink curtain with purple spots, no stick visible, and a broken toilet. Blood is pouring out of the toilet. This isn't making sense. Entering the spare bedroom. One queen-size bed and a stained red carpet. What's that smell? There's a course. I need to leave.